Yo, what's up everybody? It's Your Name from Family Trip and we are back with another adventure. This time, we're ditching the concrete jungle for something way more epic. We're talking lush greenery, crystal clear water, and peace so real, you can practically feel it. That's right, we're diving deep into the heart of Cambodia, exploring the top 5 natural freshwater spots in Banteay Meanchey province. Get ready to be blown away by some seriously stunning scenery, hidden gems you won't believe exist, and maybe even a few surprises along the way. Let's do this. First up, we're hitting up Ang Trapeang Thmor, a place that's not just a feast for the eyes, but a sanctuary for the soul. Nestled in the heart of Cambodia, this hidden gem is a testament to nature's grandeur and resilience. And let me tell you, this place is the definition of hidden treasure. Imagine a secluded lake surrounded by dense forests where the only sounds you hear are the whispers of the wind and the gentle rustling of leaves. It's like stepping into a completely different world, a world where time slows down and every moment is a chance to reconnect with the earth. We're talking vibrant green, everywhere you look. The kind of green that seems almost too vivid to be real, like it's been painted by the hand of an artist. Trees reaching for the sky, their branches forming a canopy overhead, creating a natural cathedral that fills you with awe and wonder. Sunlight filtering through in these crazy cool patterns, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor, making everything look like it's part of a magical realm. And the air, man, it's like breathing for the first time. Crisp, clean, and invigorating. It fills your lungs and makes you feel truly alive. Fresh, clean, alive with the sounds of nature doing its thing. The symphony of life here is something you have to experience to believe. Birds chirping, insects buzzing, the wind rustling through the leaves. It's a melody that soothes the soul and reminds you of the beauty of the natural world. It's the kind of place that makes you want to just stop and soak it all in. But there's more. This isn't just a place to visit. It's a place to experience, to feel, to become a part of. Ang Trapeang Thmor is known for its crazy biodiversity. We're talking rare birds, some of which you might only see here. Their vibrant plumage and unique calls add to the magic of this place. Fish you've never even heard of, swimming in crystal clear waters. Each species is a marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted to its environment, and plant life straight out of a nature documentary. From towering trees to delicate flowers, the flora here is as diverse as it is beautiful. It's like a living, breathing museum, and we get to explore it. Every step you take is a journey through time, witnessing the wonders of nature that have been evolving for millennia. Trust me, this is one spot you do not want to miss. Whether you're a nature lover, a photographer, or just someone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, Ang Trapeang Thmor is a sanctuary that offers something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to be amazed by the natural beauty and biodiversity of this incredible place. Next, we're heading to Banteay Meanchey Reservoir, a hidden gem in the heart of Cambodia that many travelers overlook. This place is where history and nature collide in the most epic way possible. Imagine walking through ancient ruins that whisper tales of a bygone era, while the serene waters of the reservoir reflect the sky above. Picture this. A massive expanse of water, sparkling under the Cambodian sun, creating a dazzling display of light and color that dances on the surface. The reservoir is surrounded by rolling hills and ancient ruins, each telling its own story. The landscape is a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical significance. It's like something out of an Indiana Jones movie, but real. The dramatic landscape with its ruins and water feels almost cinematic. You can practically feel the weight of history here. The ancient stones seem to hold the memories of the past, and you can't help but wonder about the lives of the people who once called this place home, the stories these ruins could tell. Each stone, each carving is a piece of a larger narrative that spans centuries. The people who walked these lands centuries ago, it's humbling, man. Walking through these pathways, you can almost hear the echoes of their footsteps. And the scenery? Don't even get me started. The lush greenery surrounding the reservoir adds to its charm, making it a perfect spot for nature lovers. The way the light hits the water, creating these shimmering reflections, is nothing short of magical. It's a sight that stays with you long after you've left. The peacefulness that seems to radiate from the very air itself. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and find a moment of tranquility. It's the kind of place that makes you want to whip out your camera and start snapping, capturing every beautiful moment. But at the same time, you just want to put the camera down and be fully present in the moment. to soak in the beauty and let it wash over you. Banteay Meanchey Reservoir isn't just a place, it's an experience. It's a journey through time and nature, a reminder of the beauty and history that our world holds. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or just someone looking for a peaceful escape, this reservoir has something for everyone. So come and explore, and let Banteay Meanchey Reservoir leave an indelible mark on your soul. Alright guys, buckle up because Phnom Penh Lake is where the adventure really kicks in. This place is all about getting out on the water and experiencing the beauty of Banteay Meanchey from a whole new perspective. We're talking boats, kayaks, maybe even a little stand-up paddleboarding if you're feeling adventurous. The water is so clear you can see straight down to the bottom, and the surrounding landscape is like something out of a dream. Imagine paddling along, the sun on your face, the wind in your hair, surrounded by nothing but the sounds of nature. You might even spot some local wildlife, like exotic birds, or maybe even a few playful monkeys swinging through the trees. Phnom Penh Lake is all about embracing the great outdoors, getting your adrenaline pumping and creating memories that'll last a lifetime. If peace and tranquility are what you're after, then Natura Lake is your spot. This place is like a sanctuary, a hidden oasis of calm in the middle of everything. The moment you arrive, you can feel the stress melting away. The air is thick with the scent of flowers, the only sounds the gentle lapping of water against the shore and the distant calls of birds. It's the kind of place where you can just be. No distractions, no worries, just you and the beauty of nature. Take a walk along the shore, find a quiet spot to meditate, or just sit back and soak up the serenity. Natura Lake is a reminder that sometimes the best adventures are the ones that allow us to reconnect with ourselves. Last but definitely not least, we're finishing our journey at Banteay Lake, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Cambodia. This lake is not just a body of water, it's a sanctuary for the soul, a place where nature's beauty is on full display. And let me tell you, this place is the definition of going out with a bang. We're talking jaw-dropping views that stretch as far as the eye can see, epic sunsets that will blow your mind, where the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors and an atmosphere that's impossible to resist. The serenity here is palpable, almost as if time stands still. Imagine this, you're sitting on the shore feeling the cool breeze against your skin, the sun slowly dipping below the horizon, casting a golden glow over everything it touches, painting the sky in a million different shades of orange, pink, and purple. It's a sight that words can hardly do justice to. The air is cool and crisp, filling your lungs with a refreshing sense of calm, and the only sounds are the gentle lapping of the water against the shore, and the distant laughter of children playing, their joy echoing across the water. It's the kind of moment that makes you feel truly alive, grateful for every breath, every heartbeat, every sight, every sound. You find yourself lost in the beauty of the moment, appreciating the simple yet profound wonders of nature. Banteay Lake is more than just a lake, it's an experience, a journey into the heart of tranquility, a memory that will stay with you long after you've left. It's a place that calls you back, time and time again, to relive the magic and serenity it offers. And there you have it, folks, our whirlwind tour of Banteay Meanchey's most incredible natural freshwater spots. From the biodiversity hotspot of Ang Trapeang Thmor to the historical significance of Banteay Meanchey Reservoir, the adventurous spirit of Phnom Penh Lake, the tranquility of Natura Lake, and the breathtaking beauty of Banteay Lake, this province has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the magic of Banteay Meanchey for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Banteay Meanchey's best natural freshwater spots. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you next time!